Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to configure a MikroTik router to be used as the home router or internet router with the PPPoE account. So the ISP router will be configured as the bridge mode, so that is necessary. So in my case I have Huawei, so you can go to the one and then to your one configuration, and then in the one mode you need to select bridge instead of the route mode. Okay, and then to connect to the MikroTik, you need to download the Winbox from the mikrotik.com and then connect to the MikroTik using the cable. So in my case I'm going to my OTH one is connected to the ISP router, and OTH 2, 3, 4, and 5, because I have 5 more, so from 2 to 5 it will be configured as a LAN side. Also my MikroTik has a wireless card, so I will be configured wireless. So let's connect to the MikroTik. Select the MAC address, and then the default, if it's not configured, so the default is admin with no password, and then connect. Okay, in case, let's zoom in. In case the MikroTik is configured and you need to do a reset, you can go to the system, reset configuration, check no default configuration, and reset configuration. It will ask you to reboot, click yes. So in my case it's already resetted, so you can enter like a new password. Okay, change now. Then you go to the interfaces, you can go directly to the interfaces and create new interface. It's PPP client, no sorry, PPPoE client. Okay, the interface is the ETH1. Okay, and then the username CIE 13 and CIE 0013. Okay, you can use the per DNS, or you can check use per DNS. The profile is okay. I think everything is okay. Let's click OK. Okay, IP addresses, yes, you see that the interface, the created interface, is getting a dynamic IP address, public IP address. So now if we go if we ping Google, let's see if the ping to Google will work or no. Okay, it's working, but still we need to enable the check the route, that is enabling, yes, the default route to the PPPoE interface. We need to go to the IP firewall, and then in NAT we need to create added, and then source address out of interface. The interface is PPPoE, and then the action is to masquerade. That's for the NAT to be, that allow the local subnet to be NATed to the internet. Okay, and then let's create a bridge. Go to the bridge, add the bridge, and the bridge. Okay, and then go to the port, and in the port we will assign the interface in Ethernet. No, it's Ethernet 2 to the bridge. Also added 3 to the bridge, 4 to the bridge, also 5. Also we will add WLAN to the bridge, yes. So So for WLAN 1 and for Ethernet 2, 3, 4, and 5 will be used configured as the LAN site, and all they are on the same bridge interface. So we go to the IP address, and we need to create a new IP address for the bridge. In our case, it is 192.169.99.0. So 192.168.1.9.1.24. The interface is bridge 1. Okay. Now we need to configure the DHCP service. To do that, we go to the IP DHCP server, and then we go to the DHCP setup. We select the bridge 1, and then next. The DHCP space is good. Gateway 99.1, it's good. The range you can change it, or you can keep the proposed one. Next, and then DNS you can keep the one that you receive from your ISP, or you can use the public one, like for example Cloudflare and DNS. It's up to you. Okay, next. This time you can change it to one day, no problem. Next. Okay, done. So now before we test, we can let's configure. For example, let's configure the wireless. Okay, we go to the wireless, and then we go to the wireless, and then the SSID. Let's make it, for example, MikroTik Wi-Fi or something. Okay, MikroTik Wi-Fi. Okay, we enable it, and then we go to the security profile. In the security profile, we define the key, static key required. No, sorry. Then dynamic key. We check the WebP pre-shared key and WebP2 pre-shared key. We define the password. Make sure that it is a secure and complex password. In my case, I will just make a simple one. For example, Wi-Fi 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wi-Fi 1 2 3 4 5 6. Apply. Okay. Now I will check with the cable first. Okay, let me check with the cable. Disable Wi-Fi. Check with, make it DHCP. Okay, automatic. Okay, apply. Okay, yes, it took an IP from the range. Okay, let's go to the internet and check if the internet is working. For example, TTY. Okay, yes, the internet is working. Now let's disable the cable. You can you can check from the winbox the IP DHCP and releases. Yes, it's this. You can verify that the DHCP server release an IP address to my laptop. Okay, let's check now that the Wi-Fi is working. Disable the wired and enable the wireless, and check our SSID, which was okay, where is it? Okay, where is the MikroTik? I name it MikroTik. I believe MikroTik SSID. Okay, maybe we missed something. Okay, let's go back. Enable the wired. Okay, the password. Okay, maybe we missed something. Wireless interface. Yes, WLAN, it's there. Ah, yes, station. It should be bridge, not station. The mode should be bridge. And then, yes, MikroTik Wi-Fi. Here you can change the country. You can make choose your own country. Okay, I think here it's hide SSID in case you want to hide your SSID. I think it's okay now. Apply. Okay, and then now if we go to the wireless, okay, before go to yes, MikroTik Wi-Fi now is here. Okay, normally it should ask for yes, ask for the password. It is Wi-Fi. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6. Connect. Okay, yes, it is now connected. Let's disable the cable to make sure that the connection is going through the wireless. The Wi-Fi 9 is connected. Let's check the IP server. Yes, you can see that it's got an IP address. It is connected on the WLAN one. Okay, now let's go and check that the internet is still working. Speed test, for example. Okay, yes, yes, the internet seems working. Log. Yeah, the internet is working fine. Thank you for watching.